If you're having trouble with the checkpoint unavailable error on Discord, follow these steps to resolve it. First, launch your Discord app, navigate to the U page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find different option. Scroll down, head over to the option data and privacy. Inside this menu, you will find various privacy and personalization settings. If these settings are turned off, that's likely why your checkpoint and rewards are not showing up. Make sure all the personalization options are enabled, as this will allow Discord to display features like checkpoint. Next, ensure your app is fully updated. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Discord. If you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. After you do this, launch your Discord app, navigate to the U page. Now you should see the checkpoint option available. All you have to do is click on it and check out your checkpoint. If your account is new, you will need to wait a little while for the checkpoint to become available. For everyone else, enabling personalization and updating the app should fix the problem instantly. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.